Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into 20 mind-blowing celebrity events that happened on November 21st throughout history. From legendary birthdays to iconic premieres, we've got the scoop that'll leave you speechless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey through time. Number 20. On November 21, 1945, Goldie Hawn was born. Turning 79 in 2024, this Oscar-winning actress has been making us laugh for decades. From Private Benjamin to Overboard, she's Hollywood's eternal ray of sunshine. Number 19. Happy birthday to Björk. Born on November 21, 1965, turning 59 in 2024, the Icelandic singer-songwriter is known for her eclectic music and avant-garde fashion. She's been pushing artistic boundaries since day one. Number 18. On November 21, 2008, Twilight premiered in the US. The vampire romance, starring Kristen Stewart and Robert Pattinson, sparked a global phenomenon. Team Edward or Team Jacob? The choice ignited debates worldwide. Number 17. Jena Malone was born on November 21, 1984. Turning 40 in 2024, she starred in films like Donnie Darko and The Hunger Games, a fearless actress who continues to captivate us. Number 16. On November 21, 1980, the Who Shot Jera episode of Dallas aired, revealing the culprit behind TV's most famous cliffhanger. It became one of the highest-rated broadcasts in US history. Number 15. Michael Strahan, born November 21, 1971, turns 53 in 2024. The former NFL star and TV personality co-hosts Good Morning America. From sacking quarterbacks to tackling morning news, he's a man of many talents. Number 14. Ken Griffey Jr., born November 21, 1969, turns 55 in 2024. Known as The Kid, this baseball legend dazzled fans with his iconic swing, a Hall of Famer both on and off the field. Number 13. On November 21, 1976, Rocky premiered in New York City. Sylvester Stallone's underdog story punched its way into our hearts and won Best Picture. Yo, Adrian, we still love it. Number 12. Nicolette Sheridan was born on November 21, 1963. Turning 61 in 2024, she's best known for stirring up drama on Desperate Housewives. She's been turning heads for decades. Number 11. On November 21, 1993, Bill Bixby passed away at age 59. Known for The Incredible Hulk and My Favorite Martian, he left a lasting legacy on television. Number 10. Marlo Thomas, born November 21, 1937, turns 87 in 2024. The star of That Girl, she's been a pioneer for women in TV and a champion for children's charities. Still fabulous and making a difference. Number 9. Cherry Jones, born November 21, 1956, turns 68 in 2024. A Tony and Emmy-winning actress known for 24 and The Handmaid's Tale, she's a powerhouse on stage and screen. Number 8. Harold Ramis, born on November 21, 1944, passed away at 69 in 2014. The comedic genius behind Ghostbusters and Groundhog Day, his humor continues to make us laugh from beyond. Number 7. On November 21, 2008, Disney's Bolt was released, featuring voices of John Travolta and Miley Cyrus. This tale of a superstar dog on a cross-country adventure had us all wagging our tails. Number 6. On November 21, 2017, David Cassidy passed away at age 67. The Partridge Family star and teen idol stole hearts in the 70s. His music and charm left an enduring legacy. Number 5. Lorna Luft, born November 21, 1952, turns 72 in 2024. Daughter of Judy Garland and sister to Liza Minnelli. She's a talented performer keeping the family legacy alive. Number 4. Alexander Siddig, born November 21, 1965, turns 59 in 2024. Known for roles in Star Trek, Deep Space Nine, and Game of Thrones, he's charmed us across galaxies and kingdoms. Number 3. On November 21, 2003, Dr. Seuss, The Cat in the Hat hit theaters. Mike Myers brought the mischievous feline to life, causing chaos and laughter in equal measure. Number 2. On November 21, 1997, the animated film Anastasia was released. Featuring voices of Meg Ryan and John Cusack, it told the tale of the lost Russian princess, a royal adventure that captured hearts. Number 1. On November 21, 1980, actress Mae West passed away at age 87. Known for her wit and sultry persona, she was a trailblazing actress and playwright who broke barriers in Hollywood. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through November 21st's most astonishing celebrity moments. If these fascinating tidbits blew your mind, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Celebrities in History. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more amazing stories from the past. Let's keep exploring the star-studded tapestry of history together.